Have you ever wondered how wheat from a farmer's field ends up as bread on your table? It's a fascinating journey involving many steps and key players along the way. Today, we'll explore the vital role of market intermediaries in agricultural marketing. Understanding these connections is crucial for students of agriculture and agribusiness. Join us as we uncover the path from farm to consumer. Market intermediaries are essential links in the agricultural supply chain. They bridge the gap between producers and final consumers. These players facilitate the flow of goods, information, and payments. They ensure products reach the right place at the right time for the right price. Let's delve into their specific functions and importance. First, let's meet the commission agents, vital figures in agricultural mandis. They act as representatives for farmers selling produce on their behalf. These agents connect farmers with potential buyers, facilitating transactions. For their services, they earn a commission, a percentage of the sale price. Imagine a farmer bringing fresh wheat to the mandi. The commission agent expertly negotiates with various buyers. They ensure the farmer gets a fair price for their hard work. This system helps farmers access wider markets efficiently. It streamlines the selling process, especially for small-scale producers. The agent handles logistics, making the process smoother for all. Their expertise in market dynamics is invaluable. This diagram illustrates the commission system flow clearly. Next, we have wholesalers, who play a crucial role in bulk buying and distribution. Wholesalers purchase large quantities of produce directly from farmers or agents. They then store these goods and distribute them to retailers. This process ensures a steady supply of products to various markets. Consider a wholesaler buying fresh vegetables in bulk from a mandi. They then transport these vegetables to their warehouse for sorting and storage. From there, smaller quantities are supplied to various retailers. This efficient distribution network is vital for urban food security. Wholesalers manage inventory and ensure product availability. They absorb price fluctuations, stabilizing the market for retailers. This diagram illustrates the bulk buying and distribution process. Finally, retailers are the direct link to the end consumers. They sell products in smaller, manageable quantities to households. Retailers provide convenience and accessibility to consumers. They are often the face of the agricultural supply chain for many. Consider a local retailer selling fresh milk and vegetables. Customers visit daily for their household needs. The retailer ensures a variety of products are available. They also provide valuable feedback from consumers back up the chain. Retailers often offer credit and personalized service. This strengthens community ties and customer loyalty. This diagram shows the retailer's position in the marketing channel. Intermediaries add significant value through various functions. They provide storage, reducing spoilage and ensuring year-round availability. Transportation is another key function, moving goods from farms to markets. They also bear risks associated with price fluctuations and spoilage. Intermediaries play a role in price determination, balancing supply and demand. Let's trace the journey of wheat from farmer to consumer. The farmer harvests the wheat, which is then taken to the mandi. A commission agent facilitates its sale to a wholesaler. The wholesaler stores the wheat and distributes it to various retailers. The retailer then sells the wheat to consumers. This journey highlights the interconnectedness of the supply chain. Market intermediaries offer several advantages. They enhance efficiency, manage risks, and stabilize prices. However, they also face criticisms. These include added costs and potential exploitation of farmers. It's a complex balance between benefits and drawbacks. In summary, market intermediaries are indispensable for agricultural marketing. They connect farmers to consumers, ensuring efficient flow of goods. Understanding their roles is key to a robust agricultural economy. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Subscribe for more agricultural economics lessons.